Hello, my amazing Whitey family. How are we all doing? I trust you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious egg and potato frittata. It's actually a breakfast recipe and it is very simple and easy and also healthy. So if you want to see how I made this, stick around, do not go away. Let's get right into the video. So the ingredients we are starting with to prep is actually a plantain, ripe plantain. I have 3 there. So I'm just going to peel that and cut it into small circles. And that is done. Next is our potatoes, which I peeled behind the camera and I also cut into small circles. I have it in water because I don't want it to go brown. So the next step now is for us to fry these 2 items. So I have hot oil in the pot ready. Now we are going to fry. First of all, we're frying the plantain, and then when that is ready, potatoes will also go in. Fry up to the point you prefer, either golden brown or very dark brown, but this is how I prefer mine. I'm going to transfer it into a paper towel which I already lined in a bowl to help me drain the oil, and then the potato goes in as well. So the next step after this, we'll be prepping the sauce. So in a saucepan I have the vegetable oil and the oil is hot. Now we are adding onions. We are going to just saute the onions until it's translucent. And then we are going to be adding spices now at this point. First of all, I did black pepper. Whatever spices you like to play with, you just use it. Now I'm using ginger powder, garlic powder. I added rosemary as well, dry rosemary. So I'll just mix the spices now, and then we can add the next ingredient, which is our sausages. I already cut that as well into round circles, small circles. So to this now I'm going to be adding tomatoes. We are going to mix tomatoes. I diced into small bits. We are going to now mix and allow it cook for like 2 minutes. And to it I added salt and dry pepper. Add your dry pepper according to your preference, please. So salt and dry pepper went in, and then we are going to cook for like 2 minutes while we mix thoroughly. So this is almost like cooked. It's like after 2 minutes now. At this point I'm going to just turn off the gas and then add my paprika, my red paprika, my yellow paprika, orange paprika, and also I'll be doing the green one for garnish. Why I turn off the gas is because I don't like it too soft, so I want it to still remain crunchy because I'm still going to cook again. So in a bowl now we are breaking our eggs. I'll be breaking about 7 eggs into the bowl while the sauce is cooling off. The sauce we made is cooling off. So mix. Next I added just 1 cube of seasoning. 1 cube of seasoning is what I'm breaking into the bowl there. And then we are going to mix again. I'm not adding so much of spices into the egg because already the other sauce has a lot of spices in it. So now time for us to turn the sauce into the egg. Please make sure that your sauce cools up before you mix so that it doesn't start the cooking process of the egg. What I added at this point is dry parsley. I didn't have the fresh one. I also added green peas into it, into the egg mixture. So we're just going to mix, and then time to go through the last process of cooking. So in a larger saucepan, I poured in all of the mixture. You're wondering where our plantain is. Time for us to use the plantain now. So what I'm doing at this point is just arranging the plantain and the potatoes on top of the egg sauce, the egg mixture. And then I just garnished now with green bell pepper, red bell pepper, the orange bell pepper as well. So all the prep process is done. Now time for us to cook. We're going to cook on very low heat. My gas reads 1, 2, 3. At this point I'm cooking at 1.5. I'm going to be cooking for 20 minutes. If you find it too hot, reduce it. After like 20 minutes we came back to eat, and this is our potato and plantain frittata ready. Time for breakfast. If you have watched to this point, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for being there watching my videos. Do not forget to like, drop me a comment, and please share the video to whoever you think will be useful. Time for us to have our breakfast. Let's go to the dining table and enjoy this sumptuous meal. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.